Listen up. Today we want to share some great tips on how to take care of your ears, inside and out. First, don't forget to protect your ears if you'll be somewhere noisy.
If you're going to be in a noisy situation, strongly consider wearing earplugs. And that includes most all popular music concerts that you're going to go to today.
Next, resist the temptation to use Q-tips on your ears.
Your ears are self-cleaning. The ear has a skin sloughing mechanism. If you are using a Q-tip, you're pushing against that sloughing mechanism.
And finally, pay attention to how your ears feel after you swim. If your ears don't feel back to normal shortly after you get out of the water, see your doctor.
That should go away within an hour or so for most of us, and if it does, that's totally appropriate. If it's hanging on longer than that, then you do want to see a healthcare professional because you could have other things going on in the ear.
Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.